Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 English Guess Math Plus 3 workbook on page 88. This is Phonics 3. So activity 1, listen and number from 1 to 7. So later I will play the audio. So basically we are going to learn as planned today. So I will play the audio now. So listen carefully and then you number the correct with the corresponding English alphabets. So I play it now.
Workbook, Phonics 3, Activity 1. Listen and number 1 to 7. 1. Trainer, trainer. 2. Stand, stand. 3. Sleep, sleep. 4. Skate, skate. 5. Swim, swim. 6. Spider, spider. 7. Squirrel, squirrel.
So maybe you are confusing with this one. This one basically he is trying to stand up. So we have spider, squirrel. So this is trainers. So maybe in Malaysia it is called shoe. So trainers, trainer. And then we have this sleep, swim, and then skate. Okay, number 2, activity 2, look and match. So some maybe appear on the previous activity, like this one, spider. So we have a spider. So give an example, we have smile here. So we have these S blends and then the remaining syllables. So smile, we have this B, and then we use ruler to draw the line. So number 2, so number 2 is snake. So we have S-N-A-K-E. So snake. And then which is here, snake. Okay, maybe I just concentrate on this part here. So later I will match them according to the pictures. So number 2 is snake. And then we have number 3, spider. So S-P-I-D-E-R. So spider. And then number 4, we have stopped. And then number 5, we have swim. Number 6, scarf. And then number 7, skate. So now number A, spider. And then B already done. And then C, this is stopped. And then D, snake, we already done. And then E is scarf. So we have here scarf. And then this is skate. And then we have the final one is swim. So that's it for this page. We are on page 88, Guess Math Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.